So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to design the registration page. So this is the continue of the previous video. So if you haven't watched it, go check that out as well. So so first of all, I'll create a new page called register tsx, and then RAFCE to generate our functional component, and I'll make this R capital first. And if I go to that location, register, if I go there, it should load. Yeah, it loads. So in here actually I'll design the UI exactly the same, but with first name and last name. So the fields will be first name, last name, email and password. So let's do that. I'll grab this whole code here and I paste it here, and then we need to import this icon and the next link. Okay, okay, so I'll add the first name and last name above the email field. So first of all, let's change this text, create an account, and above this input field I'll create another div. So I need two divs, but I'll keep it in a row, first name and last name. So I need two inputs. Okay, so make this outer container flex, and direction default is row, so we don't have to specify the row, so it will make that row. And we need to change the width. Let's make it, let's remove this width and keep it with full, and make this container width to 400 pixels, not 40, 400 pixels. Okay, so and reduce the cap to 4. Okay, looks good. And change the email address to first name, and this one last name. Type is text, and type is text. Yeah, good. So in a medium screen, I'll make this flex column, and in the medium screen I'll make the flex row. Okay, in that way we can keep our UI consistent in the mobile view and in the desktop view as well. So so we need to keep this width only for medium. Okay, now looks good, and it is responsive now. So I'll show you this. Okay, it looks good on desktop. So we have to remove this forget password from here. So let's do that. Forget password. Okay, let's remove this whole section. We don't need that here. Okay, so we have first name, last name, email, and password. So we have the registration page ready, and we have the login page ready. We have login page, we have registration page. So in the next video, I'll create a Node.js project from scratch for our backend. So then we can create APIs for register and login. So then we can bind those APIs to this UI to make this authentication work. So see you in the next video.